Hey friends, if you wish to fix an unexpected error has occurred issue on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to update Windows. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows update page on the list on the left hand side and click on check for updates in the right pane. The next solution is to update drivers. So on the same page, go to advanced options, select optional updates and install any optional updates that are available. And the last solution is a malware scan. So search for MRT in the Windows search bar and open MRT. And then click on next, select full scan next and let it run through. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.